In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in MailChimp. To get started, open the MailChimp website in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. MailChimp keeps most creation tools in very visible areas, so the process is usually straightforward once you know where to click. From the dashboard, click the Create button. This is where MailChimp lets you start building different types of content and marketing assets. After selecting Create, look for the Surveys option and click on it. This will take you into the survey creation area, where you can begin setting up a form that collects responses from your audience. Next, click Get Started. This opens the survey workspace and prepares a new survey draft for you. If you're prompted with existing survey options or templates, continue by clicking Create New. This is the option you'll use when you want to build a fresh survey from scratch, rather than editing something that already exists. Now, you'll need to enter a survey name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple surveys in the future. A simple descriptive name can help you stay organized and quickly identify the purpose of the survey later on. For example, naming it based on the campaign, audience, or topic makes it easier to manage inside your account. Once the survey is created, you can start building the actual questions. Click the plus icon to add your questions. This is where your survey starts taking shape. As you add each question, think carefully about the kind of information you want to collect. Keep your wording simple and direct, so respondents can answer quickly and accurately. After adding questions, you can customize everything to match your needs. This includes adjusting the question text, organizing the order of the questions, and refining the overall structure of the survey. Try to keep the survey clean and easy to follow. A well-organized survey usually leads to better completion rates because it feels more user-friendly. As you customize, review each part carefully before moving on. Make sure your survey name is correct, your questions are clear, and the layout makes sense from the respondent's point of view. Taking an extra minute here can help prevent confusion later. And that's how to create a survey in MailChimp. Once you've named it, added your questions, and customized the details, you'll have the foundation of your survey ready to go.